What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It is a cold day here in Colorado. Even though it's middle of April, we are going to be installing some new carbon fiber. So as you may have seen, we have these eyelids. They're supposed to be carbon fiber, but this is that fake weave. And we have this piece which is the right weave, but it kind of looks out of place here. So I actually found these eyelid covers that are made in the real carbon fiber. These are gonna look actually even better because, as you can see, they cover like this piece and they cover this piece. So instead of what we have, they will be kind of like so, which I think is gonna look quite good. This only leaves a cutout for the turn signal, and then we also have little splitters that are gonna go just like so. They fit pretty well. You can't see, it's hard to do this one-handed, but they fit quite well with what we already have in here in place. And so I'm pretty excited to put these on. Feeling is pretty cold right now to be doing this, so we might change the weather to when it's warmer. And just like that, we have nice weather. All right, so here we are. All right, so here we can see it. I wonder if I can just peel that off. Yes, I can. Because this go. Yeah, I don't know. Didn't like that one, but I liked it more than seeing this stupid chrome, because I dislike that a lot more. I got some of this goo gone. I'll just spray that on here a little bit, let it sit just for a second, a minute or two, while we work on removing this one. Yep. And that's really cool. Oh, actually broke this one. Oh no. I really don't care. I wasn't gonna sell this or anything, so it's quite all right. Damn. It's crazy. All right, took off the previous ones. I'm gonna just take this and clean it a little bit. Now we did clean this, but there's another little trick for making things stick to things better. Use some brake cleaner. So we're gonna use brake cleaner and just kind of wipe on the headlights and wipe on the bumper, and then we'll get it started. All right, so here it is. We already have our double-sided tape. It's gonna look pretty great, as it should. I love this part. Oh yeah, that already looks so much better. Yes. All right. I mean, it's a small part, but a big difference. I hate that chrome so much. So yeah, this is great stuff. All right, and just like that, we have both installed. Oh yeah. Already looks so much better. Ah, love it. All right, now we're gonna do the splitters as well. I laid down the double-sided tape and started peeling it off just so that it's easy to grab onto. And now we just gonna line it all up. I'll rub this again with some brake cleaner just because I drove the car, and you can already see it got a little bit of road grime. and stuff. But what I wanted to look at was, so we're gonna essentially, here, let me show you. So you can see that these grooves are going over the grooves in the underneath the bumper, and so we are gonna reuse this rivet. We're gonna reuse this 8mm, and then there's one here, and one more here, hole, which at the moment don't seem to be going anywhere. So if I were to put the screw through, it's just going through this plastic. So we'll be able to just kind of drill through this this plastic piece, and the same goes actually, I think rivets went there. I think a rivet may have to go in here as well. No, this one is actually, we can drill through. So I moved the car so that the wheels are on this hump and the bumper is over it, so this way I can actually, have room to put this down. So okay, all right, I like it. With that and that, it looks like it came from the same, almost looks like it came from the same piece. I like it. All right, so the front end is looking much better and meaner than it did. I'm a big fan. So yeah, time to go for a little rip. Celebrate that.